Come with me to stay at Dromoland Castle, Ireland for my birthday. So my birthday is the 2nd of January and it's such a miserable time of the year because half of the places aren't even open. There's nowhere to go and nothing to do. So this year we decided we'd actually do something about it. So this is only about an hour away from where I live. This is Dromoland Castle. It's a 5-star resort. It is, I've never been here before, but it was absolutely beautiful. So when you first enter, because it was January, there was this huge gingerbread replica of the castle, which is insane. Look at the size of this thing. This is the first thing you see when you walk into reception. The coat of arms, everything was giving that real warm, cozy, old style castle aesthetic. And I loved it. And of course, it still has all the Christmas decorations up. So I thought I'd give you a quick little room tour as well. They put this gorgeous little welcome plate in my room and a card welcoming us and a little chocolate for my birthday. The room is just very standard for 5-star properties in Ireland. Very luxe, very warm, cozy, inviting, chandelier. And then in the bathroom, a lot of it was marble. It is standard for 5-star in Ireland, but I absolutely loved it. It was very homey, if that makes sense. And they turn your room down twice. So in the morning, obviously, they will change the bed sheets, but then they also come back in at about 4 o'clock and turn it down for nighttime. So they take back the throw and they leave little eye masks on the bed. It is so cute. We then went to get food. Look at this little chip stack. Amazing. The food was gorgeous. This was such a photo op. This is the staircase with the garland on it. Everything in here is a photo op built for Instagram aesthetics. This is one of the main Christmas trees in one of the sitting rooms where you can just get a drink and chill. And then all we did for the rest of the day, once we checked in, unpacked in the room, was get a few drinks and just relax. We were only staying for one night, so today was just sort of about exploring the property, trying the food, and then tomorrow in another video, I will have the afternoon tea that we booked for, and then we also booked into the fine dining restaurant. So if you want to see that as well, follow along and watch the series.